Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to move your taskbar to a second monitor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. How to move one monitor to have the taskbar while the other one does not have the taskbar. It's just a full Windows screen. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Just click on open it. Go to display over here on right side of system and scroll down guys. Here is the option multiple display. Click on it, and now assuming you had a multiple display connected to your computer, here will be a option guys. You need to expand this, make this my main display option. You need to check box over here, and that's it guys. I say repeating one more time. Here will be option guys that says make this my main display. If you are connected to multiple display connected to your computer, that having an option, here will be option make this my main display. You need to check mark over here, and after that you should good to go guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.